Hi everyone, Vinothkannan here. Welcome to new tutorial series on ESP32. ESP32 is a 32-bit dual-core microcontroller and it is specially designed for IoT purpose. Nowadays, lot of companies started working on ESP32. Knowing ESP32 will give you lot of opportunities in the industry. So we will be programming ESP32 in Espressif IDE platform, which is comparatively better than Arduino IDE platform. Also, Espressif is providing good community support, which I will be showing to you now. If you go to Google and simply type ESP Github, page will open. Just open the page, and if you go to example section, and here you can see a lot of examples. Go back, and if you go to issue section, and here you can see there are a lot of issues faced by people around the world, and they are posting it their issue, and they are getting the response also from ESP community. You can see it here. So if you are also facing some problem, you can simply open this new issue, and if you are having bugs, you can post it here. And if you are having a feature request, you can request here. So they have tried to respond as soon as possible. That's one cool thing about Espressif community. Now I will show you how to install Espressif IDE. If you go to Google, simply type Espressif IDE download. There are some links coming. So just open the second one. So this is some, yeah. So here lot of download files given. I prefer to download and install it in the offline actually. So for that, this one Espressif IDE 2.5.0 would be better. So you can download this and install it. Now we are going to install Espressif IDE. So you have to choose your language. So I'm choosing English. Accept the agreement. Next. So in which folder you want to install? So I'm just keeping it as it is. The settings, as it is. Just install. So it will be installing. So here is asking for this modules. Accept it. So yes, successfully installed. So let's open the Espressif IDE. So it will come like this. So here I am going to create a new folder to keep my projects. Let me use ESP32. I'm just choosing this folder, launching it. So it is showing the welcome message. So that's it. We are done. Now we are in Espressif IDE. So I'm going to create a new project. File, new Espressif IDE project. So I'm going to name my project LED. Next, finish. So just open, go to the folder, open the main, and here you have to choose your controller. So I'm just using ESP32 Room 32. So I have to change the controller here to ESP32. And I am now, right now I didn't connect ESP32 to my PC, so I'm just connecting. So I just connected. If I connect, now you can see it. The port number, it is 3. So let's build it. So for the first build it will take time. So as we can see, it is building. So this loading, still loading. 34, 36, 39, 40. It's still loading. So once it is successfully built, this error should go away. So as we can see right now, there is no error, and we have successfully built the project. Just check the compute. Yeah, the compute is right. Just upload it. So it is done. Let's see it in a terminal. What we can see. So in the terminal, we can see the printf message "Hello from me," which means successfully built. It is successfully running inside the microcontroller. So now let's move on to our actual programming, GPIO programming, LED blinking. So go to Google, just type Github 369. Yeah, here it is. Repository comes. Go to room 32. LED blinking. Copy. Paste it here. So here I'm configuring a GPIO tool for to blink LED, because Espressif has an inbuilt LED. It's a blue color inbuilt LED it has. So I'll be blinking that. So now we will build the project first. So project is building. Yeah, so we have successfully built the project. There is no error. You can see it. There's no error. So let's upload it. So sometime it may not get uploaded. So in that time you have to press this boot button. So if you press that boot button, it will get uploaded. So you can see the result now. The blue color LED is blinking for every 100 milliseconds. So let's do some small changes here. So I'll increase the delay to 1 second. Let's upload it now. So now you can see the result. For every 1 second, it is blinking. The blue LED is blinking. You can see the result in the terminal as well. You can open the terminal. So you can see the result here as well. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on next tutorial. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.